Good afternoon, friends. How are you? Okay, I am Renuka Vedya. Today we will cover next topic transmission media. In last lecture we seen computer networks, type of computer networks, characteristics of computer networks, and features of computer networks. We already know that we require computer networks. Day to day life we require computer networks. But actually, when we want to connect one computer with another computer, we need some media or we need some channels. No, that channels is known as a transmission media. Transmission media is nothing but the communication channel between sender and receiver, which carries the information from one sender to another receiver. Data can be passed in the electromagnetic signals. Depend on the type. Some media are copper based, some media are fiber based, some media are physical based. When copper based network, the bits in the form of electric signal, and when in fiber based network, then bits in the form of light pulses. In fiber optic cables, the information or bits are in the form of lights, the high speed data transmission. Okay, this transmission media is classified into two types: guided media and unguided media. Guided media means what? If we require some cables or physically we connect one devices to another devices or one computer to another computer, physically connection, at that time we call guided media. Unguided means using the electromagnetic waves. Two computers, two devices are connected or two systems are connected with each other using some electromagnetic waves. जैसे कि हम ब्लूटूथ से कनेक्ट करते हैं, we can use Wi-Fi. Okay, we can use, there are three types: radio waves, microwaves, and infrareds. Okay, infrareds, the best example of infrareds, your remote पे infrareds रहते हैं, remote you can use. Then microwaves, when communication between towers, at that time microwaves are used. Radio waves, the best example of that radio wave is your telephone. Using that radio waves, we can communicate with each other using that telephone or mobile phone. Okay. Any difficulties unguided media? Okay, we will turn on guided media. Guided media means you can connected devices using some physical path or physical channel for sending data. It's divided again into coaxial cable, fiber cables, and twisted cable. These three cables are mentioned in our syllabus: coaxial cable, fiber optics cable, and twisted cable. Again, coaxial cable divided in baseband and broadband, depend on that speeds. Then twisted pair again divided into two categories: unshielded and shielded. Unshielded means have more protection as compared to the shielded. More layers are there on the physical arrangement of that cables. This twisted pair are divided into unshielded and shielded. Guided media. It is defined as a physical medium through which the signal are transmitted. It is also known as bounded media. We seen there are three types: twisted, coaxial, and fiber optics cable. Twisted pair are used in telecommunication. For the telecommunication purpose, we use twisted pair. Twisted, the name implies that twisted. उसमें क्या होगा? Twist. उसके जो दो cables रहते हैं वो twist रहते हैं. Okay. Coaxial cable, we can use coaxial cable in dish TV, telephone lines, and bus topology. Actually, this arrangement depends on network and topologies. Depend on network and topology, we can use this type of cables. Am I right now? Okay. In coaxial cable, we seen where we use coaxial cable. Dish TV का जो cables रहता है अपना, उसके अंदर आपने देखा होगा वो जो केबल रहता है वो कोएक्सियल केबल रहता है. फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स केबल, It is a high speed data transmission. When we want to send data at long distance, at that time we can use fiber optics cable. One by one we will see twisted pair cable. Twisted pair is a physical media made up of pair of cable twisted with each other. This image say that twisted pair. ये twist है एक दूसरे के ऊपर. Twisted pair. और twisted pair cable is a cheap as compared to other transmission media. ये बहुत easily available हो जाती है और ज़्यादा expensive भी नहीं है. Installation of that twisted pair cables is easy. When we compare guided and unguided, when we compare that guided media and unguided cable, one point is remaining there. Installation of guided media is quite complicated because we need to connect that physically. And अनगाइडेड मीडिया जैसे कि हम ब्लूटूथ वगैरह यूज़ करते हैं उसके लिए कुछ इंस्टॉलेशन का कॉम्प्लिकेशन है क्या? नहीं है, वो इजीली कनेक्ट हो जाता है. बट कनेक्शन जब हम फिजिकली कनेक्शन करते हैं देन इट क्वाइट बी डिफिकल्ट. ऑल्सो इंस्टॉलेशन इज कॉस्टली. Guided media installation is costly and need more efforts. Unguided media installation is not much costly and required less efforts. And that guided media, the solid medium is used. And here the unguided media, we use electromagnetic waves. There are some 3 and 4 differences between that guided media and unguided media. Okay. Okay. Come to the point of twisted pair. Twisted pair. The name implies that twist है इसमें. Then again that twisted pair are divided into 2 types: unshielded twisted and shielded twisted. Unshielded and shielded. Unshielded. Name implies unshielded twisted pair. इसमें क्या होता है? There are 4 twisted pair, and again this twisted pair are coated by soil shields. Again coated, and lastly coated by some plastic jacket. Unshielded twisted pair is widely used in telecommunication. The advantages of this unshielded twisted pair, it is a cheap, easily available. Installation is easy. Then it can use for when high speed requirement. When we want to connect LAN and need high speed, at that time we can use that unshielded twisted pair. Only disadvantages is that if one cable is damaged, then we need to change entire network. Shielded twisted pair. Shielded twisted pair is a cable that contains mesh surrounding the wire, allows to high transmission rate. As compared to unshielded, इसमें थोड़ा कम layers होते हैं. When these 4 twisted pairs coated by only one plastic material. The characteristics of this shielded pair, the cost of this twisted pair is not much high, not much low. Means medium cost is there. Installation is easy. Higher data transmission rate. Then disadvantages is that it's quite expensive as compared to UTP coaxial cable. When we compare with this cable with coaxial, at that time it disadvantages comes. Second one is a coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is a commonly used transmission media. For example, TV wire, dish TV cables. Then bus when we want to connect then some computers in bus topology, at that time we use the coaxial cable. The name coaxial is a content to conductor parallel to each other. Same this. This is one main conductor, and these are coated. Some shields, some इसको क्या बोलते हैं, एक shielded रहता है ना, एक silver का, that I'm not getting that word of that. Okay, let it be. The name of this, it is a higher frequency as compared to twisted pair. The inner conductor of this coaxial cable is made up of copper. Inner conductor of this coaxial cable, it is a copper. Then outer conductor is made up of copper mesh, that a copper mesh. And inner conductor frame, the middle core is made up of non-conductive cover that separates the inner conductor from the outer conductor. The middle core is responsible for the data transferring, whereas the copper mesh prevents from the EMI, electromagnetic interference. This is a coaxial cable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 4 coated. For that main conductor, 4 coated coating jacket available. Coaxial cable is a 2 type. Depend on that transmission rate, baseband and broadband. Depend on single high speed and multiple signals high speed. Then advantages of coaxial cable. It is same as other cables, high speed, shielded as compared to twisted pair, better shielded as compared to twisted pair, high bandwidth. Disadvantages is that when we compare it with other cables, then it more expensive or quite expensive. Next and last is a fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable, when we want to send data over the long distance, this data is transferred in the form of light. High speed data transmission is there. That's why we use fiber optic cables. That cables have core, that one core. Cladding is nothing but the concentric layer of glass. This is a cladding. Cladding is a concentric layer of glass. Then jackets are outer jackets, which is made up of plastic material. 2 or 3 coatings are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 means cladding, core, cladding, coating, outer jackets. And what is the advantages of fiber optic cables? In terms of greater bandwidth, faster speed, long distance, better reliability, thin and lighter. Greater bandwidth means the fiber optic cables provide more bandwidth as compared to copper. The fiber optics carries more data as compared to copper cable. Faster speed, it can send data fast as compared to other cable. Longer distance, when we use that, when we want to forward data over the long distance, at that time we use that cable. Better reliability means more reliable as compared to other. Why? Because these waves, fiber optics base means light base data is transmitted. Thinner and lighter. This cable is thinner and lighter as compared to other copper cables. Copper cable दिखने में कैसी मोटी सी वाली दिखती है, but fiber optic cables look like a slim and thinner, lighter. Okay, these all are about the transmission. What we learn in that class? In that class, we learn what is transmission media. Okay, then classification of that transmission media: guided media, unguided media. Again, we see the comparison between guided media and unguided media. Then types of that guided media: coaxial cable, fiber optics cable, twisted cable. Okay, and also we see where we this use coaxial use in dish TV, TV lines, etc. Fiber optics used in WAN. Okay, twisted pair used for telecommunication. Again, coaxial classified in baseband and broadband. Twisted again classified on the physical arrangement of that cable, unshielded and shielded. Okay. In next lecture, we will see OSI layer and TCP/IP protocol. Okay. Thank you.